Happy New Year and welcome back to school. I hope your holidays were filled with rest, connection, and moments that mattered. The start of a new year always feels hopeful as we turn the calendar, set fresh intentions, and reunite with friends and teachers. Our students are back in classrooms, ready to learn, grow, and discover in 2026. This month, I want to talk about something very important. Our Replacement Educational Programs and Operations Levy is on the ballot in early February. Our current levy expires at the end of 2026, so this measure is a renewal. The levy accounts for about 17% of our district's budget and funds staff and programs that are not fully funded by the state. So what does the levy pay for? The people and programs students see and experience every day. Teachers, counselors, nurses, paraeducators, and school safety officers, athletics and extracurricular activities, early learning, preventative maintenance, and transportation. The levy funds updates to our curriculum, instructional materials, and programs to help our students succeed, every student succeed. It also allows us to provide targeted help for students who need it, and additional staff to support academics, arts, music, and student enrichment. We in Peninsula schools are responsible stewards of taxpayer dollars. Even with this renewal levy, we will still have the second lowest overall school tax rate in Pierce County. And every dollar voters approve stays right here in our district, working for our students. You can learn more at psd401.net/levy. As we begin this new year, let's carry forward the curiosity, kindness, and wonder that make our community special. Thank you for being our partners. Here's to a wonderful 2026 in the Peninsula School District.